How to cancel an order on Temu before shipping. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you. So you can do that directly to the application, open up the Temu application, and if your order has not been shipped yet, you can easily go ahead and cancel your order. So in order to view your order, look out for the U tab in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you should be finding different options on the screen. Look out for the option called View Orders, tap on it, and once you are there, you will be finding your orders here. The thing is, you need to have your orders under processing, then only you will be able to cancel it. If the product has already been shipped, you won't have that option. So go to processing, and once you are there, you will be finding the product that is being processed. Look out for the product, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you should be finding option to cancel items. Look out for that option, select the item and tap on cancel items. After that, confirm that you would like to cancel the order, tap on cancel the order. And once that is done, you can just go and select the item, click on next step, and then select the reason for cancellation. And after that, tap on next step. And once that is done, you can confirm your cancellation for the one last time, and then you should be finding the order being in the cancellation process, which means your Temu order has been canceled. So this is how you cancel a Temu order before shipping. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.